So, it's been 3 years since I owned this 3-in-1 coffee machine. Is it good? Is it bad? Time for a follow-up review. Hello everybody, welcome back to Cheapo Review. My name is George. So, I bought this coffee machines on year 2020 during the start of COVID. So, this coffee machine can fit the Nespresso, Dolce Gusto capsule, and also ground coffee powder. If you want a full review for this coffee machine, you can check out my previous video in the link above. So, the good news is that this coffee machine, after 3 years, it still works. It can still brew very good cup of coffee. So the temperature is still very hot. It's not like it's becoming colder or something, no. And nothing breaks now, so it still works like a charm. So this quality of the machine, it's really excellent. So you don't need to worry something like,
hey, this machine so cheap, can use one or not? Later use a few months, later broke down how?
Because my one already lasts for 3 years. But yes, there's a but. I faced some small issue after 1 year of using it, which is this. So this happened when I use the ground coffee adapter, which is this one, yeah? So my first thought is, oh my god, shit liao lah. Should have known this machine so cheap, confirm will break down easily lah, right? But then I tried to check out what's going on to see if I can fix it. And I found out that it's actually the water filter. This thing is actually blocked by the coffee residue that's hardened inside. You see, this water filter, it actually have a space inside here. So the coffee, they can get stuck and get hardened in here. So this usually happens normally every time we brew coffee, and sometimes the residue will get stuck inside. But another reason that will cause this blockage to form faster and easier is that when you don't wash it immediately. So sometimes when I brew my coffee, I don't wash it immediately. Okay, so I usually leave it aside sometimes for 1 whole day before I wash it. So this is not a good thing to do because the leftover coffee will become dry and it will block the small pores inside the water filter. Well, luckily this blockage can be solved very easily. You just need some vinegar, some baking soda and some hot water lah. So remove the water filter and pour some baking soda and some vinegar on top of it. Then you watch it sizzling for 5 minutes. And then you pour in hot water. Then wait another 15 minutes. After that, you wash it thoroughly so that your coffee won't taste like vinegar lah. And voila! Problem solved. So this is the only issue that I have faced in these 3 years lah. And frankly speaking, even if the coffee machine breakdowns now, it's already well worth the price I paid for. Hiya, you guys are so lucky, you know. When I buy this machine 3 years ago, it cost me around 250 ringgit. Now you check Lazada, Shopee, walao, only 160 ringgit, so cheap. Some more got add on one more extra K-cup adapter. So if you guys are looking for coffee machine that can brew Nespresso, Dolce Gusto, and ground coffee powder, and also that can last long, you definitely should choose this machine. That will be all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, kindly hit the subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video.